Welcome to our lipstick factory. Today, I'll show you exactly how premium lipsticks are made, from pigments and natural waxes to the finished beauty products.
Under carefully controlled temperatures, these ingredients transform into the foundation of our lipstick. Controlled cooling ensures smooth texture and flawless shape.
Every lipstick undergoes strict testing before reaching consumers.
And that's how premium lipsticks are made. From carefully selected ingredients to beautiful cosmetic products used around the world.